Hi guys, Augustine here once again. This morning I'm about to show you how you can be able to create a very powerful landing page that will wow your audience and make them quickly click on any CPA offer link that you are showing to them. They'll quickly register and then you start earning those hundreds of dollars into your account in the next minute. So guys, all you need to do is sit back, relax, because by the time we come to the end of this video, you're not only going to learn how to be able to create an eye-catching, powerful landing page, you're also going to learn or see the particular website that we use to be able to create this landing page. So guys, all you need to do is sit back, relax. Let us quickly go into the video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button, because by the time you come to the end of this video, you are going to be very, very happy with our channel and you're going to always stay tuned to our videos, guys. If you Our video normally comes up every Mondays and every Fridays, so you have to sit back and relax with us, because in this channel you are not only going to learn how to be able to grow your business using a free traffic method, you're also going to learn how to grow your business using various affiliate marketing tools. So guys, sit back, relax. Let us quickly go into this video so that you can start seeing how to create this landing page very easy. All you need to do is go to a website called wixsite.com. Once you click on wixsite.com, you click the first link that you find in the Google page. Now it opens to you in this particular page. All you need to do is go to create new site. Guys, please pay very close attention, because if you miss anything in this particular area, you are not going to get it right. So guys, you click on the business. Once you click on the business link, guys, in this particular page they give you two options. Create a website for you, or create your website with the editor. Guys, go to choose a template area for the website with editor. Now when you click on that particular choose template, you click on black template, guys. Now when you click on black template, you click on the first link on the the first page on the blank template area. You click on the site. Now it is actually loading. So guys, when you come to this particular area, that is where it is very important to pay very close attention, because anything you miss in this point, you're not going to get it back again. But guys, before we go into this page, let us quickly go into a website called Max Bounty. Guys, if you have not yet downloaded, or sorry, if you have not yet registered on Max Bounty, guys, go down to the description page, click on the link that you can find in the description page, quickly go and register on Max Bounty, because Max Bounty is a very wonderful site, very sensitive. If you are not an expert, if you are not very good in using Max Bounty, you might make one or two mistakes that they will kick you out. So if you want to know more about how to do CPA marketing using Max Bounty, you can come to our channel. You can see the first video where I said where I did a video on how to start CPA marketing as a beginner, step by step. This is an update for 2020. So guys, click on it. You can see how you can be able to start you doing CPA marketing using Max Bounty. So guys, let us quickly go back to what you are going to do when you come to this particular page. So guys, when you are done with your registration, they are going to send you an email. But then after you confirm your email, you are going to wait for maybe maximum 24 hours, or before 24 hours, you're going to receive a call from Max Bounty website people. They're going to show you, they're going to ask you a few questions to make sure that you are very good in doing CPA marketing, so that they will not just give approval to anybody along the street. They want to make sure that you have the right skills. So be very ready, be very prepared, guys, for questions that they will be asking to you by the manager, to make sure that you have the right skills to be able to do this job. So guys, once you are done with approval, now you sign into your dashboard. Guys, this is how your dashboard is going to be. Quickly go and click on the search area, guys. Now it comes out to this particular page. All you need to do is remove the other mark, remove it, and then leave only social media and email. Guys, please pay close attention. Now after that, you go to filters, you click on approve to run, you go down and then click on dollar per lead. So guys, this is all that you need to do at this moment to be able to start getting your CPA offers, and then you can start building your landing page easily without any stress. So guys, when you click on this apply search button area, now it is loading at the moment. Now it is going to bring us all the gift offer, all the CPA offers that we have currently that is active on the month. So now guys, for example, we decide to do sweepstakes a day, win $5,000 one field. So guys, how to be able to create a landing page for this particular offer? All you need to do is you go and click on the link. You click on the link and now it is loading. Now when it loads, all you need to do, first of all, you have to go and check so many information that you have here. Now they say no pop traffic can be sent directly to the merchant's lander. If you are sending pop traffic, please submit a pre-lander, which is this landing page that we are talking about, for approval. Pop traffic must negative match abt.com. So guys, make sure you read all these informations here before you can go ahead to be able to market any CPO offer in max bounty, because if you fail to read and follow their instructions and you do it the wrong way, they will automatically suspend your account. So guys, what we are going to do at the moment is we are going to look at how the page will look like when you click on our landing page and then the main page of this offer. So all you need to do is, guys, go down to this landing page area, you click on preview. So now, because this landing page, I am not currently in America because we are doing CPA offers in America, it is not going to show exactly the full information that is supposed to be as if had it been I'm in America, but it's going to bring out something a little bit like this. So guys, when you click on this particular offer and it loads, for those that are in America, see, this is how it is going to appear in their dashboard. So guys, let us quickly go and create a landing page from this particular offer. So guys, now all you need to do is you go back to this week's site website. Now before then, you go and find something that will be able to match this logo, sweep takers. So guys, all you need to do is you go down to your Google page, you go and type sweep makers logo png. So guys, when you type sweep maker logo png, it is going to give you images that has sweep takers attached to it, guys. uh Sorry, not sweep maker, sweep takers. So guys, when you click on it, it's going to search and bring out all the logos that have sweep takers. Sorry, I'm still making guys, just relax. Let me find the exact name because I quickly look sweepstakes a day. So guys, you go back and put sweepstakes a day logo, sweepstakes a day logo PNG. So guys, you click on the search button. Now it is going to bring out every information that is regarding sweepstakers. Or you can do it like this: sweepstakes logo. Let us remove PNG. Sweepstakes logo. So guys, this is how we are going to find so many logos here that is written sweepstakes. So guys, all we need to do is you scroll down or you go up and search for the one that is going to be suitable for you, the one that you think or you feel that might be very good for you. So guys, let us keep on searching, let us keep on going down. If you find anyone, it must not be the one that I choose. Like, guys, okay guys, I prefer to use this one. Now you click on save as. So once you click on save as, it is going to save this particular picture. We are going to use it as our logo in this particular landing page. So guys, now it is downloading. Once it's finished downloading, guys, now you go to this website, you click on the add button, guys, you click on add image, you click on my image upload. So guys, now it is going to quickly bring out a particular page where you can be able to upload that image that you downloaded, guys. You click on upload media and then click on upload from your computer. Guys, if you have you can see the image that is already downloaded from our computer. You double click it and then it saves automatically into this particular page. So guys, how can we bring this particular logo out to be able to put it into our landing page? So guys, you click on it and then you click on add page. So now you see, guys, it has brought out this particular logo for us. So all we need to do is, because we are trying to make it fit into the top part of this particular place, of this particular page, so now you bring it down a little. Now you take it up so that it can be able to stay in the middle. Guys, make sure that you put it in such a way that it will be very nice and attractive. So guys, this is our logo at the moment. This is how you try to make sure you put it in the middle. If the pink line is at the center of this particular logo, now you see it is in the center. So guys, what is the next thing that we're going to do is, because we are going to put some valuable information like something like this in this particular landing page. It says free sweepstakes entry, win $5,000 plus $50 daily giveaway. So guys, we are going to put this in the first page in our landing page. So guys, you go back to the website, you go and click on the plus sign. When you click on the plus sign, guys, you go and click on test. Now when you click on test, it is going to take you to this particular area where it is required to add heading. So guys, all you need to do is click on add heading too. Now it is showing very well for you. So guys, what we need to do is we need to put this information that we read out from this particular page, which is free sweepstakes entry. So guys, you go and type free free sweepstakes entry. Or yeah, let us just make it very simple and short. If you want to add any other additional thing, you are free to go ahead and do that. You have all the page for you to do that. Win $5,000. I will just type win $5,000. Win $5,000. Guys, please pay very close attention. Plus $50 daily giveaway. Which $5,000 plus $50. $50 daily giveaway. Okay, guys. Now, when you put this particular information, you have to make it look attractive so that people can be able to find it very cool, and then they will decide to be able to buy, to be able to click and fill out the form from your link. So, guys, now I will make it a little bit large, a little. You're going to spread it a little. So, guys, now we bring it to the center. If possible, we can check. Okay, now, guys, it is showing that it is currently now on the center. So, guys, what is the next thing to do? All you need to do right now, guys, is to go back to this particular page. You go back to this particular page. You click on, you find, just guys, hold on, so that we can be able to find the, just hold on, guys, so that I can be able to get something that is going to be very cool. So, guys, all you need to do is you are going to look for this sweepstake a day logo, something like that. You go down and click on sweepstakes logo PNG. No, not this one. Guys, just relax. Let us quickly find where it is so that we can be able to move forward immediately and get down to the business. Okay, guys, what we are going to do is we are going to find, let's go back to the link, and then we have to click on the link. We have to click on the link so that we can be able to find, okay, you click on it. So, guys, please pay very close attention because this place is very important and very sensitive. All you need to do is you go down to this banner, you click on view banner. So, guys, you can be able to take any of this banner and be able to make and create your landing page. So, guys, I will prefer to use this. For example, you click and you save image as, or you can download anyone that you wish to be able to do. Now you click on save. So, guys, all you need to do is now when you come back to this particular page, now you are going to go and bring up that particular image that that particular banner that you downloaded. So, guys, all you need to do is click on the image, go and click on my image upload. So, guys, you go and click on upload from media, click on upload from computer, just like the same procedure we did for the first one. You double click, and then the banner that we have for this particular product is already loaded. So, guys, you see how it has come into this particular site. So, guys, you click on it, you click on add page. Now you have brought it back into this particular website. So, guys, all you need to do is make it a little more big so that it can be able to be attractive. So, guys, now you bring it down a little bit more. You bring it down a little bit more. So, guys, please pay very close attention because this is very important. This stage is where if you miss out, you are going to miss out completely and you'll not be able to get the right information. So, guys, when you are done putting it like this, all you need to do is the next step we are going to do is to add a button. Guys, this button is going to be where if they will click, it will take them directly to your CPA offer a max bounty, and once they fill out the form, guys, you start earning your cash immediately without any stress. So, guys, if you feel that you want to put any other additional extra things in this particular area, it is left for you. This is just for a tutorial, and if you want to do more, you have every chances to do more in your in this website at your own given time. So, guys, let us quickly go and put a button on that so that when somebody clicks on it, they will start filling your offers immediately. So, guys, all you need to do is go back to this plus sign again. You click on it, you go to button, you click on button. Guys, now you click on the first area called this first button area. Guys, please pay very close attention because this place is very, very, very important. So, guys, now when you click on design, it's going to bring you out this particular information. Okay, so all you need to do is you go and click on customize design. Now when you click on customize design, you click on fill color and capacity. Now we are going to change the color of this particular button. So if you prefer to use red, okay, for me red is okay for this design. You can put red on top. Now you see the button. Let us make the button to be red. Okay, so now you drag this one here and then you take this one up and you click on add. So guys, you see now the color of this particular button area has changed from blue to red. So guys, it is not yet finished. All you need to do, just still pay attention and you find out what you are going to do next. So guys, all you need to do is, once you are done with this, you go to change text. Let us put something that is going to attract people to buy, or sorry, that is going to attract people to click on your link. So guys, all you need to do is you type grab this offer now, or you can find something suitable that you feel that is okay for you. So guys, please pay very close attention, because this is where the main thing is. If you miss out on this link, all this training that we are doing is going to be of no use for you. So guys, how to be able to put a link to this particular button so that when somebody clicks on it, they will go directly to your CPA offer. So guys, you click on the add link. Now you click on the web address. So guys, you go back to your Max Bounty website, and then you go and find the link. You go and click on build tracking link. You click on social. You click on raw link. Guys, now this particular link will appear. Guys, copy this link. You quickly move into a website called bitly.com. Guys, please pay very close attention. Bitly.com. This is a website that can enable you shorten URL. When you come to bitly.com, guys, you don't need to sign up on anything. Click and paste this URL link and then click on shorten. So guys, now it is now shortened. All you need to do is highlight this particular link, copy it. Now move back to your website, go back to this particular area, paste it, and then you click on done. So guys, now whenever somebody clicks on this particular grab this offer now, your affiliate link, your CPA offer link is going to be, that has already been attached. You're going to lead them directly from this landing page to the main page where they will be able to finish up their sign up and you start making your card. So guys, you see how easy and how cool it is. That is why I said you need to pay very close attention to this video. Don't skip on anything, because you are going to miss out, and I don't want you to miss out in this wonderful opportunity. So guys, you go to the test area so that you can be able to make this look very colorful. Now we are going to make our text to be black, because it makes sense to leave it in the black. So now if it is now in black button. So now guys, all you need to do again is you go down to the Proxima, you find something that might, maybe another kind of text that might make it look cool. Now when you are done with that, you are going to go down again, you increase the font size so that it will look a bit big, however you wish it to be. Okay, now when you are done increasing the font size, guys, you are going to reduce this a little so that it wouldn't look unattractive. So guys, now you are going to make it look bigger. You open it a little bit bigger. Okay guys, you can see how I'm doing it. Once you open it a little bit bigger, what is the next thing that you need to do is you quickly go and now your landing page is ready. For example, this is an example of how you can be able to create a landing page. Guys, if you want to still do more using this particular method, the floor is up for you to be able to add additional extra things that you can see from this video that I am doing right now. So guys, when you are done, you go and click publish. You go and click publish. So now when you click on publish, guys, it is not yet done. Click on this, remove this my site, and then put the name of the CPA offer that we are doing, which is sweepstakes a day CPA offer. So guys, all we need to do is you come to this place, you write sweep takes a day. So guys, you now see the website is now ready. All you need to do is, if you want to connect it to a custom domain, it is left for you to do that. But for us, this is just a tutorial. We are just creating a landing page. Guys, you can now save this particular. So now guys, your CPA landing page is ready. Now it is done. So guys, let us view our CPA landing page. Let us view the landing page that we just created on sweepstakesaday.com. So guys, you click on it, and now this is how your landing page is going to be. So guys, if you click on this particular link now, because I am not in United States of America, when I click on it, it's not going to open up to this particular place because this offer is meant for those that are only in the United States. So guys, but when those that are in the United States will click on that link, it is going to bring them to this particular site, this particular page, where they will fill in their information, click on continue, and you quickly go and earn your cash directly into your wallet immediately without even stressing. So guys, you see how this is done. This is how you are going to create a very wonderful and eye-catching landing page that's going to wow your audience. So if you like this video, guys, don't forget to share this video. If you have anything you want to comment about this particular video, please guys leave a comment. Anything that you don't understand, if you want additional help in trying to create a very powerful landing page, guys, please write me on a message on the comment section, and I'm going to reply you and going to give you more ideas on what to do and how you can be able to move ahead. Don't forget to like this particular video, share it to as many platforms as possible, because this is going to be a wonderful way you can be able to extend help to those that are still struggling to be able to create a very powerful landing. Guys, sit back, relax, because in my next video is going to be an awesome and a very wonderful experience for you. In my next video, I'm going to show you another strategy, another method whereby you can be able to do your CPA marketing as a beginner. So guys, make sure you stick to this video because it comes up every Mondays and Fridays, and I believe that by the time this one comes up by Monday, you are going to see another method that I use different from the one that I used initially at the beginning to be able to do your CPA marketing and be able to create a wonderful and valuable content in it that will wow the audience and make them click on the link and then make you earn that cash immediately without any pressure. So guys, thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. See you on Monday.